Yeah, and that's an interesting point actually, because working with a vendor like yourself to help us make the most of Data Cloud is really useful, because it gives us a sparring partner.
Yeah.
So you've seen implementations elsewhere. You've seen what has worked, what hasn't worked, and sometimes as a business we can be heads down in delivering the roadmap that we've already committed to, and it's good to have a partner that can say, Kev, have you thought about this part of the product? This would really scratch an itch, or you may not even know you've got this issue over here that the team are facing. Data Cloud can solve this. We just need to look into it, and it's having that external expertise that's really useful.
So kind of thinking about, since having Data Cloud implemented, I know you mentioned earlier, ROI has been a big thing. So tell me, what does that look like for Hurtigruten since implemented Data Cloud?
Yeah, so we secured funding for Data Cloud off of 10 key use cases that we could see CDP or Data Cloud that would deliver against. And what the first use case to get off the rack was the abandoned cart program, which is something pretty common that most businesses can offer, but for various interesting and technical reasons, was something we really struggle with.
Yeah.
Bringing Data Cloud on board and using the Web SDK to connect to our website and help trigger those journeys, and also combining the Web SDK data with our live booking platform data to check for inventory and stuff like that, has meant that we've been able to activate an abandoned cart program. That's been very successful. It's been so successful that it's covered the cost of Data Cloud in 1 quarter. So hence why we keep ramping up and revisioning it, because we're fine tuning it and enhancing it as new functionality comes along all the time. So Data Cloud made a release halfway through last year where we could do rapid refreshes, segment refreshes, which means we had to rebuild the journeys and rebuild the segments and the activations to take advantage of that. Yeah, which was the right thing to do, because it further increased our conversion rate. So everything we do is about that conversion rate.
Absolutely.
That use case has been very successful, and because we keep reversioning it to take advantage of new technology, it means our other use cases, the other 9 or so, we've built 3 more, so we've still got 7 more to go to realize even more return on investment. So
let's keep us all very busy.
Yeah. And it's done okay.
Awesome. Yeah. That's amazing to hear.